Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. This is a very weird vehicle. This is the new Axial 6x6 and I put it on my Lazy Susan and it's so big, although it's a 1/10 scale, and the two rear wheel actually kind of draft in on the back over here, and it's really cool because this is actually how it's going to work when you actually run it. Let's look at it and see what there is in this beautiful vehicle. Let's get rid of Lazy Susan because she's too lazy. Okay, so to start, they made a vehicle that look really realistic. The mirrors here can actually fold it backward and forwards, and actually they did over here insert for the lights. And on the back you have kind of like a small roll cage, and actually there is actually real wheel here that you can actually remove this. You can actually use this. And when you look on the bottom of tin over here, yeah, those pumpkins with Axial look pretty much real. The entire back look real. This metal gun gray color really make it like a realistic looking vehicle. But there is a secret behind it. What they did, it's very sneaky, and I want to show you. So without any further ado, let's do that. But please press over there the like and subscribe and share the video with everybody so we can give you more gift and do more videos like this. Now, what Axial did over here, they have already a platform and they just extended this platform. So what they did, this is a regular Axial rock roller. They just add a piece on the back, and let me show you what they did. Now, to open this vehicle, it's kind of hidden on the bottom. There is two clips that you're going to pull out, and then the entire front is kind of really cool with a hinge popping up. Now, if you just purchased this vehicle somewhere, you will have a problem because if you leave it, it's just going to snap down. This thing can go all the way down. So make sure it's not hitting something and breaking. It's too bad that they did not do a wire or anything to hold it. But I'm trying to save you guys the headache by showing this. Now, let's bring it a little bit closer. Okay, now we can talk. So, very simple what they did. From here to the front, this is the, I think it's called XCS 10. This is the regular Jeep and all the regular platform that they have with the same exact frame and everything. Now, right there, and you know what, let me do this, grab the camera real quick and go here. Haha, you see, there is a cut and there is a cut there. What they did, they initially extended the body with another parts here, and they just put a new differential that will have kind of in and out, so they can actually support another wheel on the back. So it's very cool, it's very simple, it's actually super simple. Now, when you look at it, it's actually super funny what they did, because you have here body mount and you have here the same body mount. They did not really think it through too much, I think, like to make like just a shock tower without actually the body mount. If this is on a regular car, you will have here the body post over here that you can bring up and down. So they are here, it's pretty cool, but it's exactly the same part that go here. So it's like if someone duplicate this part of the vehicle backwards. That being said, this vehicle is brushed electric. It's arrived kind of is ready to run, but there's no battery and a charger to it, so you're gonna have to add your own battery and a charger. It's kind of have the heating servo over here for the steering. You have over here kind of a plasticky-ish shock towers, and everything is kind of really basic. But although all this is actually brand new, and this thing gonna be right now available at our shop. They're about $400. It's kind of a decent price for such a big vehicle. And let's go back with the camera. That's it. Sorry, I'm doing everything myself. This is Corona time and I cannot have another help here. And I think this will be cool because whenever you're gonna take something like this, everybody that will see it will say, oh, what is this? What is this? It looks like a Mercedes. There is a Mercedes. They have a real vehicle like this that's usually used for the military. And now those things available in our shop. I just wanted to show you guys a quick glance on it. It's pretty big. It's kind of a length of a 1/8 scale vehicle, but it's still a 110. Again, this is like the UMG 6x6 from Axial, and it's available at Motor Styles Hobby Shop. This was just a quick review. I did not even plan to do that. I just got it in and I said that I need to show it to you guys, and I did. I just pop it out of the box. So like, subscribe, and share, and I'm gonna do a video of this thing running. We actually have a video of this thing running. If you look on our channel, the video that we did in Semi Valley 4x4 Club, you can see this thing running over there. Bye.